Moving along here again on the Dodge. I don't have a windshield. I ordered one. I don't know if it's the right one. It's about the right size. And I got some wheels here. Unfortunately, they don't fit. Wrong bolt pattern. But so I'll have to send those back, but they sure look good. They're almost new. They're $250 for both of them, but unfortunately they're 4.5 inch bolt pattern and I need 4 3/4. Anyway, I'm gonna put my windshield up here and see if it's gonna fit. Well, it's a little smaller. I'm not very impressed. It's got a big crack, goes all the way across the middle of it. He just put it in some cheap cardboard here, didn't really pack it at all well. But it looks like it's small enough to go in. I don't think it's a Dodge, it's a Ford or something. Looks like I got about 3/4 of an inch there on top, about 3/4 of an inch on the sides, and about 1/2 inch all the way across the bottom. So I'm not sure what I'll do there. I have the bottom half of the frame I took off here. I think maybe I can put this bottom half on, and that may raise it up enough to match the top. I'll try that and see. Well, the window fit into the frame here. It's looks like I got a little corner. This thing was rusted out pretty bad here, but it looks like the window itself can come apart. I've got it matched up pretty good here in the center. Looks like it raised it, I don't know how much, but I can tack weld this bottom of the frame into the windshield and fabricate some kind of a little patch here. Better than not having any window at all. And it is a rat rod, so I think I'll put the frame in the car again and try to set the window on it. Well, it did go into the frame. Looks like that's going to fit into the car, and looks like this will almost fit. Like I can patch this. Top don't look too bad. Might have to do a little something there. And it's fitting pretty good over here. Looks like I might have to lower it like 1/4 of an inch, but I'm clearing the dash good here, and it is a window. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. Kind of don't want to be banging on it with one hand here. but it's gonna fit into my window good enough, and I can make this work. I'll try not to do anything to this top frame so I can get another piece of glass for it, but it's in and I can patch it, so I think this is going to be good enough. I'm going to put the camera down and see if I can get it into the frame a little better so I don't drop it trying to do it with one hand. Well, I couldn't get this down anymore. I tried prying on it. It's pretty solid, but it looks like my windshield is hitting on the inside of this bottom frame right in here, and I've got to go down about, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch, I would say, to get this upper windshield frame in. So I think I can just take this bottom one and just cut this lip off on the inside, so that'll fit down in there. And once I get it down, then I can weld this, and of course I'll have to make some kind of a patch here on the corner. Other side's about the same, but I think what I'll do is just make a template for a piece that'll fit here. I'll set it down in there first to make sure this bottom piece is good. It's got I might cut half of this bottom rubber and stuff out of here. I'll clean up that bottom. It'll fit good in the middle, and I think when I get this inside lip off of the bottom of the frame, that window will go down in there. I think I'll just do that right now and see if I can get it to fit.